Welcome to our house of
BR.
Guys, for today, we have a challenge for these two little boys. Magbibenta kami ngayon ng chicken. Here, so ito ang aming ibibenta ng Boss Chicken. So, kailangan maka 50 chicken sila.
Hindi totoo yan.
For you to win some
Robux.
Robux.
Money. I need money. I
Okay.
need money.
Are you ready for the
some
challenge?
pesos. I need some pesos.
Hello. Are you ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think you're gonna win?
Yes.
So, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready na ba?
Yes.
Ganyan. Put your aprons.
Meow. I'm a cat.
Put your aprons.
6, 7. Mommy, this one didn't tie it. I'm gonna tie this next time. It's impossible.
Okay. Ako na.
I'm supposed to keep the pot. I'm supposed to keep it.
Sobrang sikip to. So guys, ready na? Who's gonna get some customers? You.
Yeah.
And we'll get the money. So here's the money back. And you're gonna,
I don't know.
you give people the chicken. Okay?
Okay, he gets the money. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here's the money. Okay. Masyadong malakas yata yung apoy. Hinaan natin. Oh, shit!
We have this.
Hinaan mo yun.
Mommy, we have a speakers.
Go. Wala pa.
I'm ready.
You're ready to sell some
That biggest famous one.
sisig?
I get it now.
Wala pa. Hindi start yet. Cook pa.
Or I get inigo.
Oh, later. Later. Do you think we're gonna sell 50 chickens today?
Yes.
Ha?
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, I hope you can ask people, walking by, can you buy chicken from us? Ganun. Chicken po. O, di ba? Dapat yun. Dapat yun. Chicken po.
Ang dami naman.
Ha?
Ang dami nakakapagod dyan.
Mapapasok ka mamaya na.
I thought I'm
You're so excited. You ask people na lang to buy chicken first. Come on.
Tito Pas, buy chicken.
You ask them to buy chicken. That's a customer, wearing black. Dali. You ask them to buy chicken. Dali.
Let's do your mic. Buy chicken. Buy chicken.
Yan, guys. Tingnan natin kung meron sila.
Mommy, done na. I'm too excited.
This is a robot.
Money, I need money. Tumay. Mommy, can I do it?
Ano ganun?
Tito Pas, buy chicken.
Okay guys, kailangan golden brown siya.
Golden?
Oh, look. Do you think this is ready na?
No.
Ito, cook more pa?
No, yes.
Okay, cook more pa. And this one?
Of course, everything there.
Okay. And this one?
Yes.
Cook more.
Like this.
Ah,
Cook
like
more,
that.
cook
Okay,
more,
cook more pa. Cook more. Ayan si kuya. Dali, si kuya.
Wala pa. Kaya ang chicken. Dali. Ayun niya.
Paano sabi mo? Sabi mo, kuya? Kuya, buy chicken, dali. Nagmamadali
Ayaw.
mo pa. Ayan si ate naka-yellow. Dali.
It's so... Ate, chicken po.
Dali. Dapat huwag kayong mag-shy. Paano ka maging ahente yan?
Habi, ikaw na lang.
Maging ahente pag...
Mami, ikaw na lang if you're not shy.
I'm not shy. Talaga.
Oh, ask them.
Oh, ask them. Ate, chicken po. Mamaya sabihin ko libre na yung manok dito.
Ayun daw.
Ako na nga bibili lahat ng manok.
Sige, buy na. Buy to. Sige.
Oo, kailangan paghirapan yan, kuya.
Mami, you get one.
Kuya, dito.
Kuya, chicken po.
Ang hina ng boses ni Bento.
Kuya!
Oh, dali. Diba, it's not easy to do a job. That's why you study hard.
Kuya, enjoy chicken po.
You can sell more chicken.
How was we enjoy lang? Isa lang. Kanina dito.
Ang init. Ang init ba? Oh, hold it na.
Yes, chicken po.
Dito.
Do it. I put it here at school. I'm sure ka ready na yan, Mommy. But Mommy, how do you cook them? I'll do it lang. Oh my God.
Ay, si Royce very excited to do it eh. Si Royce talaga.
I like, Rocky's job.
People, that's your job.
This
is a teamwork. You're full customers. Dali.
And then we need to get the
Offer.
thing out.
Offer.
A few moments later.
Where did the chicken go?
Pwede po! Yay!
Yay!
Dalawa.
Free customer! Oh, 2 chicken daw. Wait,
Where's the plastic? One. Bili mami din 1 million. Hindi na mami ha.
Okay, 2 chicken daw. What part? You ask her. Okay, guys.
Ito po.
Oh.
Ano?
Galing ah.
Where can I give the payment?
Okay, kuya. Okay.
Thank you.
What more?
Same.
Same then.
Chicken wings din. Wings na wings. Is that the wings? That's not the wings.
This one.
Okay.
Ano po?
Tapos, put some salt.
Food.
Salt.
Ayun.
Oh, like this.
Likas?
Yan.
Yay!
Give it in. Okay, what part po? Okay, you
Oh,
say.
mami.
Thank
Oh.
you.
Thank you.
Dali.
Which one da?
Which part? Which part?
Which part po?
Which part? Let them choose. Oh, you open the ano.
Mami, hold this.
Okay.
You can take your,
Talagang ano na.
you can take your
Tindera
time.
Talaga, oh. Ang ganda, ano, change ha. It's 30 pesos per, pag 2, ilan? Magkano? Pag
Ano,
2.
60.
Oh, 60. Oh, dahil ako.
100? Wait lang. How much did you buy, Royce? How much did you buy?
Dalawa. So, what's your change? What's the change?
How many?
What's the change?
Ah, 40. 40. Give me that.
40, go.
Give me that. Let's go.
Yay!
Let's go.
Bagal mo mag-change, kuya. Nagmamadali siya. Ito po, oh, 40. Give 40. What you say? Thank you.
Thank you.
What you say? Okay, ito naman. Peraso daw! Yay!
Yes. Mommy, we're gonna pack our goal in no
Oh,
time.
you choose.
I choose for him. How many?
Okay, Royce. Ano, paano pa?
Ano pa po? Change? 2? Actually, may extra 20 pa.
Ayan, okay. What else? Oh.
Change pa?
Apat daw, apat. How much is apat?
No change.
Oh, more pa, isa pa.
No pa.
Oh.
Bombaya, mommy. That's our biggest one yet.
Yes, this is the biggest one. Ano?
So, how many?
Two sauce. Yes, two sauce.
Mommy, how many did we send na, mommy?
Ay, kung sa'yo.
Ha? 8 na?
Bag mo. Lagyan mo sa bag mo.
Okay, di. It's hard kasi to get stick a dito small.
Muna. Isa lang daw siya, dali.
Give me that.
You choose, you can choose. Get the plastic.
Yeah.
Get the plastic.
Isa lang?
Plastic.
Dalawa? How do you get the plastic?
Kuya.
How do you get the plastic?
You ask him which part.
Which part po?
Which part po, kuya? Okay. Oh, give him some.
Chicken po.
Thank you po.
We have one more chicken.
Okay.
Kaya dito
Very good,
dito.
very good.
Chicken na hot here.
Ha? Sarap talaga.
Ano mama the order? Mommy, my hands are slippery. Ay, yes. Salamat po. Adod na.
Guys, ilan na? 9 pa lang. How much your money there?
Kuya, how much money do we need ba?
Times 30. 1.5.
1,500?
Tama ba? 50 times 30? Cellphone, mag-mat kayo.
50 times 30 to ba? Dali. 50
Royce.
times 30. How can I get 1.5 nga, mami. Chicken po, 30 pesos.
Do you think it's fun to sell?
400. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, boy.
You like it?
Huh?
Really? You're
Hindi,
gonna do
too
this
hard to
every
get
day?
it out eh.
After school.
Leave it here.
So you can earn
Now I'm
money.
counting to pam.
Diba?
And I can get robot. Mami talaga, mami. You're good at robot. 400.
Yes, of course.
So, 10.
Okay, you.
20.
How about you? Are you
I'm
having
counting the
fun?
money, yes.
Are you having fun?
I'm counting the money.
How much money do you have now?
6,000. This is ano, 400.
Kain po, ate, sipon chicken.
Apo. Ayun niya.
Free lang po.
Ay. Free ano?
Joke.
Free lang po.
Hindi mamiro.
Ano, free ba? Bentley, we're gonna get 9 pesos lang if it's free.
No, we're gonna give some people free. Like, they're hungry.
When they're poor,
Oh.
we give them free. So,
Okay, chicken.
Wala.
This is chicken.
chicken
Boss
po.
chicks. Sabi mo, boss chicks.
Boss sticks. It's fried chicken, mommy, not boss sticks. Lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. I get the 5,
Ayan. May rasyon tayo ng tubig, guys.
6.
May na...
Yes, 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 yes.
3,
4, 5,
Ito na yung mga isura niya.
7. Mommy, we have 67. Mommy, we have
Do
400.
you want to try the chicken?
Bili ka nga.
You
No.
want to try it?
Mommy, it's kind of slippery, mommy, wearing gloves.
Yes, slippery talaga.
You might put the entire thing in the...
Ano, look at the vlog. What can you say to them? Come here in Pasay, 2017 Sandejas Street,
chicken
Pasay.
po.
Right? To buy
Tama?
chicken. Chicken po. Free lang. Free lang. Hindi ka Oo.
Oh, Ben.
Oh, lista mo lang. Oo. Yan ka namin. Oh, dali, put some. Dali na. Go.
Mommy. Oy, mommy. Deck out of 30 na.
Ba yan, serious?
That's 30 na, mommy.
Wait lang ha. Antayin natin. Okay lang ba? Mag-aantay ka.
Okay, no problem.
Yan.
Alam ko,
So, you put it here. Until, yan. Oh, okay. You put one. Kulang pa na isa.
madami na.
Ano nilagay mo kanina, mommy?
Oh, thank you.
Mommy, he likes it, mommy. Why? He likes this one. Oh,
Sometimes you help people, okay?
I don't know. Give it money.
Chicken pa. Oh, go, baby daw. You want to taste it?
Good.
Isa po.
You, mommy, I can't.
Later.
I can't, mommy. Boss chicks.
Mula sa pang.
Mommy, I think, mommy, we can reach our goal na, mommy. In exactly 2 hours. So we need to make 1,500 pesos. Half of KBR.
Yay! Look at Arlo. MJ, look at Arlo.
Boss chicks. Order now!
Dalawa.
Order now!
Order now daw. Oh, busy.
Isang chicken po. Isang chicken.
Meron na ba?
Ano na?
Ano na? Para sa'yo.
Kaya po ako.
Bakit kaya?
Hello, vlog!
Grabe, pinangaralan na kita. Ang kapal pa rin ng mukha mo. Yung mukha mo, ang tigas. Parang yelo ng 33.
Balik kayo, di ba masyado luto? Ilan ba?
Dalawa daw isa. Sa akin isa lang.
Isang pag may pang plastic.
Hindi, lagay na lang po
Ang
sa
sabi
plato.
mo, finger natin.
Lagay na lang po sa plato.
Namin.
You're gonna dine in here. Here, dine in.
Ilan po?
You're gonna dine in here.
Isa lang po.
Wait lang.
Isa lang. Dai?
Sa kanya.
Dai, what's that?
Lapit tissue pa kayo dyan.
Pakuha na. Pakuha.
Ano daw? Dalawa.
Don't pick your nose. Kanin na ba tayo? Wala pa. Ayun na. With rice po? Walang rice. Di pa to masyadong brown eh. Wait lang. Sige po, i-deliver po namin sa table nyo. Pag yung rest, i-deliver po namin sa table nyo. Hindi pa siya masyadong lutso.
Lito.
Lutso. Say lutso.
Lito.
Asan ba yung mga problema na yan? Sabihin mo, suntukan kami! Hindi ko alam.
Ayan na. Mommy, we're running out of stuff.
Kuya, di ka. Dalawa sa'yo? Thank you. Balik kayo.
Yeah, boy.
Sige.
Order ka. Kahit ayaw mo.
Okay.
With rice daw siya, kuya, with rice.
Chicken
so,
po.
you're gonna put it in the rice. You get the rice there.
Mommy wants... Where?
May assistant. Get rice three from kuya. Takal ka rice. Come on. Kuya, tulungan mo siya magtakal. Okay. So, put rice there.
Sabahin naman na niya. I put the rice there. It's so hard.
Kuya will be next. Kuya will be next now. Finish. Yan. Okay. Di mo pa.
Tips.
Okay. Di mo pa.
Yan o, mommy.
Wow! Okay, good. Oh, it's Kuya's turn naman. Kuya.
Oh.
Kuya, ikaw naman. You got rice there, please, oh. You put rice there. Come on. Oh, Kuya.
Chicken po.
Dali. Oh, go,
Mommy,
go,
it's back to
go,
for
go.
mommy. What's the good?
Dito, ano.
Mama, I might get sick!
Oh, eh.
Bleh.
Two chicken daw. Two chicken pa?
Mommy. Mommy, oh.
Oh, lagay mo muna dyan. Wala pa tayong
What?
order.
How's
So, may
it so-
order. One
how's it
rice,
so
that's,
good?
that's,
One.
pag ano,
I will not pronounce your
$45,
gravy.
75.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Alam mo, may 2 rice na kayo, may 2 chicken, 1 rice, that's 75 pesos.
75!
Kasi pag 1 chicken with rice, 45, di ba?
Ito mo na to? Ah, ang sakit!
Sa'yo na yan, you want to eat?
No. Chicken po. I'm trying to make my
Chicken
answer.
po.
Walang bayad.
Chicken na bayad.
Sorry.
Chicken po, walang bayad. Try my answer.
Nagbenta pa tayo. Chicken po, walang bayad.
Chicken po, walang bayad.
Chicken po, walang bayad.
Mami, training na.
Becky, say free chicken.
Max, mami, wait lang, mami, ah.
Ha?
Dedicating studios na mami, wait lang. Oh, wow, it's so mami, hot. Mami, back, mami, ah.
Okay, chicken po, walang bayad. Labis naman sa kanya na. Chicken po, walang bayad. Okay guys, kapag nag-subscribe kayo sa aming Facebook and YouTube, libre ang 1-piece chicken!
Yes.
Kuya, libre!
Kuya, libre chicken. Kuya, libre lang po.
Libre ba soft drinks? Mali! Libre ang tulala. Yung cameraman natin tulala. Ano ba yan? Gutom ba yan?
Ah, mami, libre po, chicken. Libre. Libre po,
Sino
chicken.
Libre lang.
Libre po. Ayun niya po.
Libre na chicken. Halika rito.
Si Andre na lang. Andre.
Ayaw nila maniwalang libre.
Libre po, chicken. Is there camera waterproof ba? Chicken. Kuya, libre na po yung chicken dito. Kuya, libre na po. Wala na? Isa lang? Okay.
Get it!
Get it! Ah!
Be careful. So it won't touch your chicken. Brown yan.
Bakit na brown?
Look for the brown one.
That is not brown.
Kain po!
Libre lang, libre! Libre lang!
Libre lang! Libre!
Libre daw ka.
With rice, with rice, with rice. Oh, with rice daw. Oh,
With
get
rice.
it. Go, prepare for rice roast dali.
Prepare sir, good naman! Good to other side!
Guys, kailangan nyo mag-subscribe muna and follow to our YouTube channel para sa libre.
Sige.
Sige. Okay. Oh, get na dali. Kuya, get na.
Oh.
Try.
I can input that thing. Out of KBR.
Ito ka sa kabila, Jake.
Sa Facebook, may Facebook,
Oo.
YouTube,
Sila dalawa.
Dalawa.
Sila dalawa. Ah! Oh! I'm safe!
Sorry.
I don't feel pain.
Okay, rice roast na. Kuya, kuya.
Hello, wala pa?
Hindi, kaya nakapag-subscribe muna.
Subscribe muna. Hotspot daw, hotspot. Kung subscribe kayo, makikita
I put the cheese.
Ayun o. House of
Pati Facebook din po.
O yan, nilibre ka ng chicken mamaya. Sige, review ulit.
Ali! Jackpot!
Wala sa kutsara, sa tinidor yung.
Pre, sabay-sabay tayo mag-follow sa Facebook doon.
Okay, game na. Okay.
Sige,
Okay. Mami, tignan the chicken na.
Okay, kuya.
ito.
Oh.
Ayun na.
Okay.
Show mo. Let's go! Yan, may free chicken na kayo. Mami, oh. Mami. Sino mawalan?
Kuya, kutsara. Dali na, kunin mo na. Ayaw niyo pa nung ano, libre na nga yan. Ayaw pa. Oh. Kuya.
Ah, dito. Oh. Oy.
Saan nga may masarap?
Are you counting na?
Subscribe na ako. Wala mo natin yung bayad. Kuha ulit, no?
Paano pag nakabook na kaya sana subscribe at follow?
Ay, pa. Ay, pa.
Uy, si Betty at si Royce pa na to.
Kain na.
Ito nga po na sa may kuya.
Okay, go. Gat mo.
Kain na.
Oh, kutsara tinidor. Aray.
Nakapalo na.
Okay, Ben. Rice, keep rice pa, rice.
Napalo ka dyan. Pinanood ko ngayon niya yung vlog sa ano, record eh.
Get your chicken na lang. Get your rice. Get your chicken.
Why can this even go out?
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Mommy, we have the most famous chicken stuff na.
Subscribe ko rin. Ouch!
Me, mommy, I'm totally safe. Oh, mommy, last and last. Can I get more chicken though? Ayun, right?
We're trying it, guys. Guys, we're trying it. How was it? Good. Come here,
Mommy,
in Sandel Street.
I'm scared.
Come here in Sandel Street.
Kamaya ang kamara.
Utog yung mga tindera.
Guys, ito na kayo.
Wala pa. Wala pa yan.
Okay, meron din silang masarap na
No, I just feel it.
masarap na chili oil. Only 90 pesos. Super sarap.
Mami. Mami,
Ano, you want?
ay, iPhone 17 to.
Okay. Give one, Royce. Give one.
17?
Meron po libre tay. Para sa'yo, ilang manok gusto mo? Hindi pa nga lang luto. Magantay ka lang, ha? Okay. Gusto mo may kanin po? Okay, may kanin daw. Get rice 3 for tatay.
Thank you
Ha?
po.
Dalawa kaya asawa mo. O, 2 rice daw. 2 rice. What?
Wait lang
2 rice. O, dalawang rice with 45.
Can you get it? Dalawang rice?
Tatlong order na yung, yung isa chicken lang. Kuya, tatlong 45 na.
Don't even have to get right.
Basta 45 pesos kasama ng chicken.
Ito nakain na dyan.
Okay. Go!
Ayun, natalsik na eh.
So, jackpot na to.
Pwede lang na si Betty, Jack lang na.
Oh!
Ulan ngayon.
Ito si Bessie.
Nadali lang po tayo ha.
Si Roy.
Gusto mo na
Si Roy. Hi, Roy.
Sayang.
Okay lang yan, mami.
Okay lang nga yan.
They needed more.
Pwede naman to. Share. Okay, wait. Kaparoy. Tayo, babalik na lang po lalagyan, ha? Babalik po kami na lalagyan. Ay, ito po gravy.
I get more rice.
Salamat po. It's so fun, right?
Hallelujah. Nah, mommy.
Put some chicken.
What's up? In the icebox, Bentley. Where? In the icebox here. There's chicken in there.
Kumakain pa si Kevin. Yung ate tagagawa ng manok po, busy po.
Sorry.
I did not like that.
Okay.
Oh my! Dip it mo na in the flour.
Sprinkle po.
Wait, dip it here?
Yan.
Dito na?
Wait lang.
Ow! Why is it so cold, mommy? There's ice
There.
on you. Bentley, move! There's a chicken! I need a chicken behind powder. Powder. Oh my god. Okay.
Make sure it's all coated. Make sure it's all coated.
Coated?
Coated.
You mean all flour?
Yeah.
Bentley!
Naglalaro na. Ay, naku.
Mommy, what ako tumay? Mommy, ah. I'm getting, sakto na to, I'm putting it. Well, so many, mama, bapaw. How this? About that? Bapaw. This is how you make real chicken. I feel real chicken like oh, this is good. Oh my god, I got the best one. With the bone, bro. I'm gonna get this.
Gusto mo ba may kanin?
Oh my.
Kain ka? O, good. Take out na lang.
Ay, di ba yan? Mommy, how my hands are dirty?
Sa'yo walang review.
Ito. Oh my, I got the best chicken.
Thank you, Usop KBR. Sarap ng manok niya.
Mommy, Mommy, matama ito my dog. Mommy, high five. Namatay na. I took it, Mommy. Right, so you give me the chicken na. Mommy, high five, Mommy. Oh my God. Okay.
You're gonna find real customers na. Nagiging madali na buhay nyo.
Camel flour. Chicken paw with feed your soft drinks. Chicken paw with feed soft drinks. Give me some flour. Chicken paw with feed soft drinks. I'm just putting infinite flowers. I need new rice. Mommy, can you scratch me? Mommy! I can't scratch you the other hand.
Kung sinabi kayo ng thank you, House of KBR. Dali.
Nagulog ko sila, tapos bigyan mo.
Huh?
Thank you po.
Po. Libinahin ko. If you like it, subscribe.
Bilang ko, chicken.
Hindi siya. Bro, wala nang libre.
Sinigdan ko lang. Sabi niya.
Kuya, chicken po. Aligo ko. Opo. Oh. Mami. Mami, can you? Mama, eat you. Can? Sino ba? Meron daw one. Huh? Rico. I hate job. I hate to have a job.
Very good na, Kapil. So proud of you. With rice po, with rice.
Thank you, po.
Thank you.
Ma, back to
Adalin na lang po namin. Okay. Are you sure she's gonna talk? Huh? Wala nang libre. No more free na. Ito kayo na. Sabi mo na. We're gonna give her na lang. 145. Pero listen lang. Ganito. Listen. There's no more free na. You have to ask them to buy. But they have free soft drinks. Wala lang. Uy, nagagulugulin ko. Wala nang libreng ano. Pero may libreng soft drinks. Understand? Say it again.
wala nang libreng ano. You buy chicken, pero libreng chicken.
Put your mind. You buy chicken with free soft drinks.
Ah,
Buy
okay.
chicken with free soft drinks.
Okay. Buy chicken, also with free soft drinks.
Ano ba yung tsura mo? Tanda mo rin, hindi ka walang magkakakaano.
Ate, chicken po, may ano, libreng soft drinks. Kung free but you grab. Yes! Finally! It has to be dirty again. Kuya, chicken po, at may libreng coke. Wala. Mommy! When you have a job, you don't need wala you don't need soft drinks. Stop. And soft drinks, mommy. Wala, they ignored me.
It's okay, no. It's okay. It's part of the job.
What's happening?
Rejection is part of life.
Ah, huh? Kuya, at may libreng coke. May chicken po at libreng coke.
Libreng ano?
Coke.
Dami.
Bigyan, no? Wala, dyan lang siya.
May nangaagaw po ng customer sa ibang tindahan.
Saan?
Ay, tama yun. Good job. Dali. Dali.
Kuya, may gulay. We have to go this direction. Oh, no. We have to be going this way, eh. Making customers na yung pa. Kuya, may chicken po at libreng ano, coke.
Wala.
Give me that. Kasi may libreng chicken po at coke. Ano ulit? May chicken po at libreng coke? Mami, how much the money?
Wala nang natagdag, puro free yung inaalok mo eh.
This one. Di ba na free? They pay? Do you pay?
Ano?
Di ba if it's free, the pa pays for it?
Oo, pero dapat ang goal natin is bumili sila. Tapos, ito, 20. Tapos, offeran sila ng free soft drinks.
Ulitin mo yun. Ulitin mo yun. Ulitin mo Tito Miko. Dali.
Halika,
Ulitin mo. Yan.
sabihin mo, when you buy chicken and nakasubscribe kayo, free soft drinks. Paano mo sasabihin?
To buy chicken, if you
You're
subscribe, you can have free soft drinks. Okay. Kuya, may chicken po, pero ang sa... No! My gloves!
Pagkaluto, yakyat mo sa basa, mag-aano ka doon.
Mommy, he just leave his restaurant. What's your problem? What's the problem? What does pulsa mean?
Don't leave it there. Mainit.
What does pulsa mean? What does pulsa?
Safe sa bulsa. Safe clear pocket. It's cheap. Chicken is just 30 pesos. Ano daw yung sa bulsa? Wallet.
Yes!
How many chicken po?
Rice
po with rice? One chicken daw.
Where's the... Han, Kuya, gusto niyo
30
po?
po, 30.
Mama, I give it na lang. And you...
Okay.
May libre
Expired
coke po
expired.
pag nag-subscribe ka sa ano.
Ha? Libre coke po kapag ka nakasubscribe kayo sa channel namin.
Hindi po.
Ah? Subscribe mo. Ito yung name.
Ito
Para
ba
may
yung
libre coke.
House of KBR vlog.
Walang rice. Ano po dito?
Mami! Ayan, magaling customers na. In one bag, what? Bye-bye. Bang, Cleo! Honey? Give it the money. Walang change? Change, what's the change? Walang change?
Okay na, magkano to?
Manok lang po. Manok lang. Wait lang, sige. Sa kaleeg. Okay. Oh, Bentley! We have 2 chicken.
Chicken? Money. Drop some money. Bentley!
Ano to?
Ano gusto mo po? Ano po?
You pretend you're the buyer.
10 chicken po.
10 chicken?
Hindi. Ano ang chicken mo? 5-10. Ate, gusto ko po 5. What's that? 5-10. Oh, where's the plastic? 5-10.
You put it in the paper bag muna daw, sabi ni Tito yung here in the paper bag. Yun ako, nagluluto na naman.
Can I have gloves? I am a dad. Saan yung gloves?
Guys, ganito kahirap magligo.
Actually, gloves.
Bentley, get the plate. Tool, the lady there bought two chicken.
Sushi, wait. Ow! I can't stand up.
Sabi niya, tatanong niya kung gaano ka-hard. It's hard, no? Do you think it's hard?
Yeah, because you're sweat. Mommy, I don't want to grow up. Give me some.
You're sweating.
Give me some.
But you're having fun. You're having fun. Are you having fun?
Yes.
You tell it to your vlog.
Yes.
It's hard to have a job. So you have to treasure it,
A
right?
job.
Diba? You have to treasure it. This is a business.
Business.
Do you want to have a business like this?
So if we have a real job, we have to sell 100 billion chicken.
Makes sense.
Nice sense, yeah.
Makes sense. But you're having fun.
Yes.
But it's hot.
Mommy, if Bugatti was here, Mommy, talaga, we would get infinite customers. Papadidi ko kadili.
Hoy! Walang po. May breading na ba to?
Wala, nilagay lang ni Benji.
Wala?
May breading to?
Mommy, we have no customers.
Where's the
Bentley, you're our customer. What do you want? Six,
You have to order, ha?
Mayroon ba? Mommy.
Lato ko, hindi na.
Should we clean the thing? We have chicken. What's that one again?
Mommy, sisig.
Come here.
You can eat
Sisig isa.
this one.
Chicken.
This one.
Give to the girl.
This one. The pink gun. Right?
Please. Give.
Thank you. Okay guys, finally, tapos na kami. We sold 58 chickens and then yung natira, bilhin namin, dibenta namin. So, day 1! Yay! So guys, abangan nyo kami sa aming next challenge. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and like our page.